Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a true classic from the golden age of American automobiles, the 1965 Pontiac Catalina. This full-size beauty blended performance, style, and comfort in a way that made it a standout on the roads of the mid-60s. So buckle up as we take a ride through its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap things up with our final thoughts. Exterior. The 1965 Catalina received a bold new redesign that set the tone for Pontiac's aggressive, performance-driven image. It featured GM's new Coke bottle styling, giving it that curvy, muscular profile that car enthusiasts still admire today. The long, low body emphasized speed and elegance. Up front, you had stacked dual headlights, a signature of Pontiacs from that era. Set. Interior. Inside a wide, chrome-accented grille that gave the Catalina a commanding presence. The body lines flowed smoothly from nose to tail, tapering into sharply sculpted rear fenders and horizontal tail lights. The rear bumper hugged the body and framed the quad tail lights perfectly, giving it a clean, symmetrical look. With a wheelbase of 121 inches and a total length over 213 inches, this car wasn't just large, it was imposing. Available in sedans, hardtops, and convertibles, the Catalina offered something for every taste, with a palette of vibrant colors and stylish trim packages to match. The 1965 Catalina offered a spacious and luxurious cabin that reflected Pontiac's mission to provide comfort without sacrificing its sporty appeal. The dash featured a wide, driver-oriented layout with a symmetrical instrument cluster and chrome bezels surrounding the speedometer, fuel gauge, and optional tachometer. The padded dash and door panels added a touch of refinement, while brushed metal accents gave it a modern edge for the time. Bench seats were standard, but buyers could opt for bucket seats and a center console in the sportier versions. The upholstery came in a range of vinyl and cloth options, and the convertible models offered open-air freedom with just the push of a button. Passenger room was generous, with plenty of leg and headroom for both front and rear occupants. Optional features like air conditioning, a push-button radio, power windows, and even cruise control were available, pretty advanced for a 1965 model. Performance. Under the hood is where the Catalina really flexed its muscle. Standard models came with a 389 cubic inch V8 engine producing around 256 horsepower, but Pontiac gave buyers plenty of options to upgrade. You could bump up to a 333 horsepower version, or even go all in with the 421 cubic inch V8, which delivered a massive 376 horsepower in the tri-power setup with three 2-barrel carburetors. Transmission options included a 3-speed manual, a 4-speed manual, or Pontiac's smooth-shifting 3-speed turbo hydromatic automatic. Despite its size, the Catalina could move, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times around 7 seconds when properly equipped. This full-size cruiser could surprise a lot of muscle cars at the stoplight. Suspension was soft but controlled, making it ideal for long highway drives, while power steering and optional power brakes added to the effortless driving experience. It's the kind of car that captures the spirit of 1960s American motoring, big, bold, and built to make a statement. Whether you were looking for a family car with style or a sleeper that could roast the tires, the Catalina delivered. With its sharp design, comfortable cabin, and powerful version 8s, it remains a sought-after classic among collectors and enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 65 Catalina, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride down memory lane. Drop a comment below if you've ever owned one or just admire its timeless appeal. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.